Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about constants. Okay, so a constant is basically a number that cannot change. Contrary to the variables, a constant is basically a variable that can change. I know that sounds arbitrary, but it's actually true. So we start a constant with the keyword const and a identifier or type, for example the integer type. Let's create a variable called number of threads. That would be a valid name, and we pass the number, for example 4. Okay, so let's print this data. Threads, let's call CPU count, and %d, comma, none of threads. Okay, so let's compile and execute this. So you guys will see this CPU count 4. I cannot change this anymore because I'm using this const keyword. I cannot change the number of threads throughout the execution of the program. Okay, so this is very important to remember, because if you don't, for example, I cannot do this. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So I need to copy this. Actually, it needs to be below this part, and I'm gonna copy this. There we go. Let's come back. It's gonna throw an error because the compiler knows that I cannot change the value of a constant. But if I delete this, guys, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Let's compile and execute. So it shows me, let me see, okay, I forgot to put a /n, a special character, to add a new line on the console. So you guys can see CPU count 4 and CPU count 16. This is happening because I can't change integer. But if I add in a const, I cannot do this. It's going to throw an error, which is exactly error assignment of read-only variable. So consts are only readable. You cannot overwrite them. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.